vlogs that I will be traveling very soon, so I just want to share like how you travel light when you're just going for a weekend. Let's just say you're just going for 4 days. Anyways, I already showed you what I'm gonna carry, so I will divide this video into two. Like, you know, first what's on my carry-on bag, and second is how do you pack lights for a holiday of 4 days. So stay tuned. And but I want to show you what's inside my trolley bag, or how to pack lights. So I'll show you. So if many of you who's following me, I'm already traveling. Anyway, I want to show you how to travel lights, or how to pack your bag. Okay, first, what's inside my trolley bag? This is the dress that I'm gonna be wearing. Okay. Ta-da! Okay. Then, okay, I'll be wearing. I took clothes. Actually, I'm staying there only for 4 days, but like I took a set of 4 or a set of 5 clothes with me. So I got 1 dress, 1 casual wear, 2 t-shirt, black and white, and 1 pajama. So basically, that's it. And I put also my high heel shoes over here. This is my. So this is the pajama. This is the jumper or jumpsuit that I have. My high heel shoes. Killer shoes. Continuation. That is, I told you the bag I'm gonna be using during the wedding. It's not that much. It's a gift. I don't wear, but it's looking like a snake skin, guys. See. Anyhow, and this is my toiletries. I forgot to include this one. So I said, like, you know, if you are checking in a hotel, keep those toiletries, guys. The ones that you like, because you can use it when you travel. Like for me, I'm just keeping it just in case that I will not like the toiletries that they are giving in the accommodation that we're staying in. So I got here an argan oil of Morocco. Yeah, I use it for my hair. A shampoo, a facial wash, a body lotion, and shower gel, bath and shower gel. So I'm just gonna keep it over here. And then, voila, that's it.